Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider hitting that red subscribe button. And now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Algorand. We're going to be forecasting Algorand's price, see what is happening as of now, and where we could see the prices going as we do go further into this month of September, and of course enter Q4. Looking at the price of Algorand on the daily time frame, it's up 2.4%, but let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame, guys. It's up 9.3% on the weekly time frame, which is really exciting to note. But now let's take a further look at it. Looking at the price as of September 20th, you can see it's at 10 cents, up 2.5% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, also up 3% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, on the other hand, currently sitting at $783.7 million, approaching the $800 million mark, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 35.8 million. I'm sure if you guys are part of the Algorand community, you know that Algorand is pretty much in a downward trend for the past few months. But could this be the time where we finally see a reversal? Let's take a look at that. Just a quick disclaimer though, that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So looking at this, you can see the Algorand Foundation has joined the Open Wallet Foundation, an open source project advancing digital identity, access, and payments across industries. We're excited to join the likes of Microsoft, Google, Visa, and more to accelerate innovation and standards for digital wallets and payments. So this news came out late last night, and the fact that they're part of the names that are innovating for digital wallets and payments with big names like Microsoft, Google, and Visa, people are really excited. And that is bringing in a lot of excitement right now. And that should really tell you that Algorand is making moves behind the scenes right now. Of course, the price isn't really showing us that. The price and, of course, what they're doing behind the scenes just doesn't correlate. But remember, we're in a bear market right now. Altcoins haven't really popped off. We've seen a little bit of a trickling effect happening for an altcoin season, but it still hasn't happened like, what we're used to seeing where things just go crazy. But we're going to be talking about what is exactly happening with Algorand. So let's go down memory lane. Algorand originally came out, of course, in 2019, and you can see this for yourself. All-time high for Algo was $3.40. Okay, and that was, of course, back on June of 2019, and pretty much we flattened out, and then we saw in the last bull cycle peak it at $2.99, and that was the top. But what you can see is Algorand was unable to reach a newer all-time high. Now you may be saying, why is that the case? Were people not interested in Algorand? Like, why exactly was Algorand not doing that? So let's go take a look at the overall reaction of the price. So if we go on market cap and I go max, now you guys are going to find something very interesting. What is that interesting thing that I'm referring to? Now you may be saying, basically by market cap, we saw the price reach a higher market cap compared to the previous cycle for Algorand. The reason as to why the price was unable to reach that is because in 2019, the circulation supply, so the amount of coins that were in circulation, was lower compared to what it's at now. So these are some factors a lot of people tend to forget. But, Algorand is making some massive moves across the board. And even late last year, right before the FTX collapse happened, we saw, leading up to the FIFA World Cup, because there was a partnership, we saw it trading at 42 cents. And just since then, guys, look at this. Let me bring out the measuring tool for you guys. From the current price levels, in order for us to retest that FIFA time, 317% move still to go towards the upside. So could this be the time where eyes come on Algo in the immediate short term? Is this one of the best buying opportunity right now? Again, it depends how you look at it. But as far as a project has bottomed, in my opinion, Algorand has bottomed out. You can see, especially if we're looking at it on the hourly time frame, we did make our way all the way down to 8.28 cents. And if you follow my videos, I mentioned that this could be something that we could be looking at and targets like these. And that happened, of course. We were seeing a lot of bearish news coming within the cryptocurrency markets, which obviously impacted Algo. But if you had your buy order somehow filled in around that range, you're up right now 21.76%. So that was a great time to be filling in some coins. But if we're looking at the bigger picture, you can see this for yourself. If we look at the bigger picture, we're still pretty much at the bottom. It doesn't seem like anything has happened. So is this honestly a great time to be accumulating? In my opinion, if you like Algorand and you want to accumulate, now is the time to be dollar cost averaging in, because it pretty much has bottomed quite a bit. And if you were kicking yourself for not picking up some Algorand back in November when things were looking quite great, well, you're getting literally let's measure right now for you guys. So if you brought the measuring tool for you guys, there you go. You're literally getting it at 80% discount, literally from November prices, 80% discount. So, we got to look at it from that point of view. I think once this thing starts rolling, especially above 21.8 cents, which is almost over a double from where we're currently at, I think once we get back above that, that's where the excitement will once again come. If I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, you can see this for yourself. That's 118% move. And that is the main target that I'm currently aiming for, for the price of Algorand. So one thing now you want to be looking at is Bitcoin. How does Bitcoin react? Bitcoin has been doing quite well. We did hear the Feds come out and, they did not bump up the interest rates. The interest rates are staying the same, but there's still 2 more meetings coming up. So we could see interest rate popping up again before the year comes to an end. So we will see how that happens. Bitcoin hasn't really reacted to that. People were thinking that the interest rates are going to go up. Feds are going to increase the interest rate, which of course is going to put a negative impact on the equity markets as well as the crypto markets, but that's not what has happened. But remember, manipulation does occur, so we need to really give it some time to really see how the market reacts. But in order for Bitcoin to be in the safe end, of course, we need to be back in the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. So we need to see those factors. Dominance is picking up. The dominance is currently sitting at above 50%, almost 50.5%. So these are a lot of factors that we need to keep in mind. But definitely, Algorand is starting to show a little bit of a relief within its price. And again, you can see this for yourself. We're facing some resistance. If this resistance is able to pop out, the next target that we could be aiming for is around 14 cents Algo. That's a 40% increase. So we could be seeing Algorand going above $1 billion market cap in the very short term, maybe even possibly before the month of September comes to an end. So let me know down below what you guys think. And also let me know if you guys want to see more Algorand updates, and I will bring you guys just that. And also just wanted to make a quick announcement for you guys that I did make a new channel, and this channel is for latest daily crypto news. I'm trying to keep everything a little more organized. So on my channel, which is the main one where you guys are watching this video, I just want to keep it strictly about forecast, talking about altcoins. On this channel though, ZX Post, I'm going to be dedicating just the latest crypto news on there. So, it kind of keeps us a balance so we're not getting mixed up. I know people enjoy both types of contents on the same channel, but this way, it keeps a better, balance in my opinion. But like I said, let me know down below if you guys want to see more updates for Algorand. But with that said, I will see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX and peace out.